My personal view on climate change is that there's no question that climate change is occurring and that we need to do something about it. So my name is Evelyn Hinckley. I'm an ecosystem biogeochemist, and I study changes to the cycling of carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, and water across air, land, and water systems. So something that makes me unique is that in the course of doing my field studies, I often incorporate or include stakeholders like land managers and farmers in the research that I do. So what drew me to focus my career on studying nutrient cycling, water, and climate change was that I got really interested in understanding how the life support systems of Earth work, how water cycles, how nitrogen moves, how we manipulate those cycles in our everyday activities through development, industrialization, land use change, and farming. The most powerful action that I think humans can take to slow or stop a changing climate is to stop emitting CO2 now. We have plenty of science to say that that's what we need to do. And what that's going to take is individual actions as well as collective actions to elect the politicians that are going to take action there and work together to cooperate not only internally at the national scale but also internationally. This is a global problem, and I think that we all need to take responsibility for it. My response to deniers of climate change is that perhaps they need to think about this in a different framework other than the piece that they don't want to think about, which might be the science of it or the fact that they perceive it will negatively impact the economy. And they need to start thinking about their families, their future, their children, their grandchildren, their grandchildren's children, because they're the ones that are going to inherit their hot, dry, extreme weather planet. At the grassroots level, what I think that individuals can do is to get passionate about this, to feel empowered to make a change, and to do that politically and to do that in your everyday life.